Introduction to Time Blocking and Breaks.
Time blocking apps help you plan your day by organizing tasks into dedicated time slots. Taking breaks within these plans is essential for maintaining focus and productivity. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to schedule and optimize breaks using time blocking apps, so you can recharge and work smarter throughout the day.
Why breaks matter in your schedule.
Regular breaks play a crucial role in preventing burnout and boosting creativity. Research shows that stepping away from work tasks, even briefly, helps sustain energy levels and improves concentration. Integrating breaks into your time block schedule allows you to refresh your mind, leading to better performance and a healthier routine.
Choosing the best times for breaks.
Identify natural pauses between tasks or after periods of intense focus as ideal points for breaks. Common strategies include the Pomodoro Technique, recommending a short break every 25 minutes, and a longer one after several cycles. Analyze your own productivity patterns and use your app's features to adjust break times that fit your needs.
Setting up breaks in time blocking apps.
Open your time blocking app and create calendar events or blocks specifically labeled as breaks. Treat them as important as any other commitment by assigning consistent start and end times. Many apps allow you to set reminders or recurring breaks, ensuring you don't miss these vital moments to step away from work.
Optimizing breaks for maximum benefit.
During breaks, step away from your screen, stretch, hydrate, or take a short walk. Avoid using breaks to browse social media or check emails, as this can reduce the restorative power of the pause. Reflect on how different types of breaks impact your energy and adjust your routine within the app to find what works best for you.
Conclusion: achieving balance with time blocking.
Scheduling breaks purposefully with time blocking apps leads to better energy, focus, and productivity throughout your day. Regular, mindful pauses can make your workflow more sustainable and enjoyable. Explore your app's features to continually refine your schedule, and remember, effective breaks are a key part of success.